launch in life. LCF's initiative for food sustainability or food nutrition sustainability and empowerment in life. Why? Ang starting po ay nag-start sa buhay ng babae, before a child is born, and it is irreversible. Hindi na pwedeng ayusin, So therefore, we need to ensure that maternal and child care is optimal, Kasi walang turning back, Yung problema po na to has been with us for more than 40 years. And would you believe it affects 1/3 of the children of the country? So di hamang na mas marami pa kaysa mga COVID or other types of diseases and the like. So grabe, that we view stunting and wastage, which is even worse, as a problem that the league has to get into. We know that we can't manage it on our own and the like, but we do know that we can do our own, a little part of it, and hopefully bring more of our organizations to make it all happen. Thus, we were doing life. Now, we must remember also na hindi ito rocket science or something new that we're developing. We are using the Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition. So, meron na talagang programa na ginawa ang gobyerno. Napakaganda ng PPAN na tinatawag. There are 34 areas in the PPAN, and at the same time, it contains really a great way of how to address the problem. Mother and child care, food security and livelihood, water access, sanitation, and hygiene. So, kung yung tatlong components na yan are done in a proper way, in a sustainable way, with the local governments, ay talagang tuloy-tuloy, and we can bend the curve. We've proven that already in some of our programs made by member organizations. So again, let's try to do this now in Kasihan.